I'm back. I got my install done. I got my Sisterlocks. So this is my first day. They finished last night. It took about 22 hours with 2 people working on my hair for about 16 of those 22 hours. They decided to go with the large set of Sisterlocks, and initially we trimmed a bit off the front. I'm happy with it. I have a pattern 4. And then, oh, these little ones here, the short ones on the edges and stuff like that, these are reverse 4s, just to like lock it in. So here in the front, this is where I had a lot of breakage. So this one too, you know, pretty much all of these are like where I had breakage and stuff like that. And the breakage wasn't caused by the color. I guess. We did trim a little bit off the front where the color was. It was already a little bit of breakage, whatever.